welcome to your own YouTube channel, the Western Lingua Classes. So, today in this session, we are going to cover the most famous and the most churched topic of the English grammar. That's the articles. Many students are confused in articles. They think that article is such a very big topic, such a very hard topic of the English grammar. But it's not that, believe me. Today in this lecture, we will clear you all concepts. It means I'll make your concepts crystal clear. Okay, so before watching this video, it is strictly recommended that you should like this video, subscribe to this channel and share it to your friends, or your sisters or your brothers, so that they can also get some information about what are the articles, how many types of vowels are there, how many types of consonants are there, what is the correct pronunciation of articles. So we will cover all these interesting facts in this particular video session. This is my lecture 1. In my lecture 2, we will learn about the uses of articles and positions of articles. So let's move to the board and see what it has written. So what are articles? Articles are the words which are used before noun. Articles are the words which are used before noun. Okay, for example, you can take an orange, an umbrella, a marker. Okay, so that's all the articles which are used before noun. Actually, article is an adjective which is used before noun that they pretends. But we have heard articles. But where this word article has been originated from? Fact to know. Let's move to the word and see. The word article has been derived from the Latin word, or you can also say the diminutive of. You can also say diminutive of. Okay. The word article has been derived from diminutive of artus, which means to join. Okay. The word article has been derived from the diminutive of artus, which means to join, which means to combine. Okay. But what does this sentence mean? Suppose I am saying that such as this is a marker, an orange. We are joining an with noun. Okay. We are joining A with marker. Yes, we are joining the words. So, artus, it has been derived from the diminutive of artus, which means to join. Okay. Now, come to the types of articles. There are basically two types of articles. First one is definite article and second one is indefinite article. The definite article is the. Okay. The. Where do we use definite articles? To make something special, we use the definite articles. The is the definite article and the is used to make something special, something specific. Suppose I want to say that the gold is cheap. Am I making it special? No, no way. But when I say the gold of Nepal is cheap, अरे भाई गोल्ड तो चीप है, बट कहाँ का गोल्ड चीप है? नेपाल का. द गोल्ड ऑफ नेपाल इज चीप. एंड नाउ आई एम मेकिंग द गोल्ड स्पेशल. ओके, इट इज द गोल्ड, इट इज चीप, बट इट इज फ्रॉम नेपाल. ओके, सपोज आई वांट टू से दैट दिस इज द फैन. एम आई मेकिंग द फैन स्पेशल? नो. बट व्हेन आई से द फैन ऑफ उषा, अरे वो फैन तो है, लेकिन वो फैन किसी कंपनी का, एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड का है. उषा, वो उषा का फैन है. इट हैज बीन ओल्ड कंपनी. वो उषा का फैन है. So I am making it special. Okay. So these are the uses of the definite articles to make something specific. Just like it is used before the ग्रंथों के नाम के आगे, जैसे holy books, rivers. Okay. But there are also some rules and regulations that where definite article is not applied, where definite articles are applied, what are the rules. So we will all cover the rules in my next video. Okay. Now come to the indefinite articles. What are indefinite articles? A and an. A and an are called indefinite articles. Okay. So where a and an is used, a is used before consonant and an is used before vowels. Okay. Now come to the types of the vowels. Basically, we have learned that there are 5 types of vowel: A, E, I, O, U. But I say there are not 5 types of vowels. There are 20 types of vowel. But mainly we have to learn only 5. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay. A, E, I. These are the main vowels. These are the pure vowels. These are the monophthongs. Okay. And rest 15s are diphthongs, or you can also say vowel glides. Okay, learn this point. This is most important. If you want to give the definition of article, then ये definition आपके आर्टिकल के कंटेंट को, ये डिफिनेशन जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ, मोनोफथॉन्ग्स, डिफथॉन्ग्स, टाइप्स ऑफ वोवेल, टाइप्स ऑफ कॉन्सोनेंट, ये आपके आप जो डिफिनेशन है एट वेरी पर्टिकुलर टाइम व्हेन यू आर गिविंग योर डिफिनेशन, इट विल इंक्रीज द लेवल ऑफ ब्यूटीफुल, it will make your definition beautiful. Okay, so that एक पर्सन पे आपका इम्पैक्ट बनेगा, हाँ भाई ये बंदा बहुत जानकार है या फिर वो बंदी बहुत जानती है. ठीक है. नाउ कम टू द पॉइंट. A, E, I or U are the pure vowels, or it is also known as monophthongs. And rest 15 are diphthongs or vowel glides. Okay. Vowel glides, let's take some example of vowel glide. Actually, we don't use them. These are used, diphthongs are used when you are learning the phonetics, just like American accent, British accent. Then these diphthongs are used. For example, normally we write A like this, okay? But when we are writing the diphthong, when we write like this, okay? These are the example of diphthongs. Okay. So now let's see the types of vowel, types of monophthongs. There are three types of monophthongs: front, central, back. Okay, front, central, back. What does front consist of? Front vowel consists of A, E, I. These are the front vowels. You can also see I, E, A or A, E, I. Doesn't matter that what is the sequence. A, E, I are front vowel. And what's about the central vowel? U. U is called the central vowel. U is the central vowel and back vowel is O. It has been looking back 6. O. Okay. Back vowel is O. Front vowel is A, E, I or I, E, A. Or central vowel is U and back vowel is O. Now let's move to the consonants. There are 24 types of consonant. Okay. What does they consist of? Bilabial. Bilabial is the first type of consonant. Second, labiodental. Third, dental. Fourth, alveolar. Fifth, postalveolar. Sixth, plateau. And seventh, palatal. Okay. First one is bilabial. Okay. See my bilabial. When you say the bilabial, your upper lip and your lower lip meet with each other, just like bilabial. Okay. Labiodental. Here word labio means tongue and dental means your teeth. So labio, it means your tongue, your tip of the tongue is touching to the teeth. Then dental, it means your in labiodental your tip of the tongue is partially touching the teeth, but in dental it's pure touching. It means the tip of the tongue is fully or is totally touched to teeth. Now alveolar, alveolar, hard petal of your mouth and tongue. Postalveolar, tongue with teeth and hard petal. Palatal, palatal, palatal. So these are the types of consonant. Now move to the correct pronunciation of the definite articles. Definite articles. Consonant is starting noun when noun starts with consonant. Okay. When noun starts with consonant, then the is pronounced as the. Okay. When noun starts with consonant, then the is pronounced as the. Okay. When noun starts with consonant, then the is pronounced as the. And when noun starts with vowel, then the is pronounced as the. Okay. So these are the correct pronunciation of definite article. Now move to the pronunciation of the articles. Correct pronunciation. Okay. Correct pronunciation. Articles, weak form and strong form. What does weak form and strong form means? वीक मीन्स कमजोर, स्ट्रॉन्ग मीन बलवान, मतलब आपके अंदर कितनी शक्ति है. ओके. ए, when you say, many people used to say a boy, a girl, a book. Let me tell you, when you pronounce a as a, then it is the weak form of the a. And what is the correct pronunciation? A. Okay. A is the correct pronunciation. A sounds like weak. Okay. And many people say an as an. So that is the weak form. And you should say an as an. It's the strong form. The, the and the are the weak form of the English. Here you have noticed one thing, that when I have written weak form over here, then there are two weak form. First one is the, and second one is the which has छोटे ई की मात्रा. Okay. Then this छोटे ई की मात्रा is the weak form of the. And what is the strong form? The with बड़ी ई की मात्रा. Okay. So this was for the today's session. Let's take a summary and recap what we have learned today in this lecture 1. Articles are the words which are used before noun. Actually, article are itself an adjective which is used to combine noun or which is used to which are used before noun. Okay, which they precedes. The word article has been derived from the diminutive of artus, which means to join. There are two types of articles: definite articles. The consonant is starting when noun starts with consonant, then the is pronounced as the, and when noun starts with vowel, then the is pronounced as the. Indefinite article. There are two types of indefinite article, a and second one is an. And we use an before vowel and we use a before consonant. There are the 20 vowels, among them a, e, I, o, u. It means 5 are the main vowels or pure vowels, and a, e, I, o, u is also known as pure vowel or monophthongs. Rest 15 are the diphthongs, which are also known as vowel glide. Now let's see the types of the monophthongs. Front vowel, A, E, I are known as front vowel. Central, U is known as central vowel, and O is known as back vowel. These are the three examples of the diphthongs. Okay. Now let's move to the consonant. Consonant. There are 24 types of consonant in which A is used before it. Bilabial, labiodental, dental, alveolar, post-alveolar, palatal, and platal. Now let's move to the correct pronunciation of the articles. We are taking a summary. We are just taking a recap of it. Okay. Let me make it correct. It is flying an aeroplane over here. Okay. So what's the correct pronunciation of articles? A. O is the weak form and A is the strong form. And An is the weak form and An is the strong form. The is the weak, the and the are the weak form, the consisting with choti ki matra. And what is the strong form? D. The consisting with badi ki matra. Or it is also called harsai or dirgai. Okay. So this was today's session. I hope you liked my video. If you really like it, then please like it. Subscribe to our new channel, Western Lingua, so that you can know some facts about that. Our teachers, when prepare any topic for you all, then they not only prepare a topic, they just not complete their formalities. That they will make the topic, they will come over here and they will only teach you, bhaiya kaam to hamara ho gaya, hamara kaam ho gaya. No. We don't do that. We go in the depth. First of all, we analyze the historical background of that topic. Okay? And then we go with depth with that. And then we write the contents. And then we come over here and teach you. Okay? So, this was today's session. And till then, bye-bye. Wait for my next video and please like and subscribe to this video so that you can also know some facts about the different topics. Till then, bye-bye. See you. Jai Hind and happy learning. Jai Hind. Stay at home. Stay safe with COVID-19. Thanks.